All right, welcome back. So today we're going to look at string concatenation and just talk about strings in general. You know, strings are just words, text that we want to use in our programs. In this case, let's go ahead and we're just going to print out just a, you know, that very first kind of thing that we do in coding where we're just going to print out hello world, and we run this. And it does that, okay? So what if I wanted to change this around? What if I just want to print hello? Let's just do this for a second, and I'm gonna go ahead and print hello. We can do that, right? And then let's say I want to concatenate these together. I have them as two separate strings. So I'm gonna do this. Let's move that cursor out of the way. So what's happening here now is it's taking this string and it's going to just mash it together with this string. And if I run this, you'll see that they're just kind of connected, okay? So this is not a plus symbol. This is what we call concatenation. We're taking this string and we're attaching it to this string. And now if we wanted to, we could change this around a little bit. Let's go ahead and hit enter here a couple times, move this down, give us some room. We're going to get rid of this text here. And what we're going to actually do is create a variable. We'll call it string A, and we're just going to call this hello. Okay, so this variable A is going to be called hello, and that's the value that's going to be in that location, memory location. So if I run this, it should print hello, which it does. All right, so let's say that I want to add on world onto that. I can do this a couple different ways. I could do string, and it doesn't have to be hello world. It can be anything, but we'll just do world for this. Okay, and then we're going to say that it's A concatenate B. Okay, so it's going to take this string, concatenate it with this one, and we're going to get those two strings. And again, it mashes it together. And if we wanted to, we could tinker with this a little bit, and we could add space to this, and we'd get the separation. And that would be totally fine. You know, maybe we want a space in there, so I'm going to add a space and run it like this. And now we'll get the hello world with the space. But there's also a different way to do this, and it's really kind of a cool way, is we can use our compound operator and include it with our string, and it's really kind of cool. So we're going to say that this is H again, and in previous videos we've talked about this with like addition, subtraction, and things like that. So we can do plus equal, and we will do world like this. And what will happen is it's going to take this variable A, and it's going to take hello, and I'm going to get rid of this down here. So it's going to take this variable that has hello, and it's going to add to it world. And now actually what will end up happening is now the variable A will take on the value of hello world. Will be assigned that value. If I run this, hello world. Just kind of a really cool way to take a string and kind of add to it. You know, maybe it's a phrase or something like that that you want to add in. You could totally do that. It's really kind of a cool thing. So yeah, that's how you would work with the compound, the plus equals, and you could add it to a variable and kind of change this variable and keep adding on words if you needed to. All right, take a look at that, make sure that works. All right, there you go. Well, hopefully this helps you, and it's just kind of a small thing with the coding, but it's a useful tool, and we wanted to talk about concatenation a little bit too. So there you go. Good luck in your coding.